Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olson and this is my channel where you're gonna learn how to draw easy and step by step. Today we are doing a cartoon turtle. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with, I'm using color pencils, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker, but you can change this for a pencil. Okay, let's start on the right side of the paper. The first thing is gonna be the head, and here is gonna be the body. So the head is about this high, and I'm gonna start with the eye. So let's draw first a circle. And this circle is gonna be the inside of the eye. We're gonna color it with black. And underneath, we're gonna do a line, and this line is longer on the left side, okay? Now we're gonna put a curved line up here without touching the circle, and it go around just like this. You can pass the marker twice, and the next thing is gonna be the front of his face. So we're gonna go on top of this curved line, and we're gonna go down just like this. So we're gonna start going up. Now let's go down and stop right there. We are gonna do here kind of like a smile. So I wanna do a curved line that connects with this one. And we're gonna do one more this time, kind of like in a diagonal line, and this is a curved line too. Now let's do kind of like an eyebrow, and it's just a curved line that go around the eye. And I'm gonna go down to do the back of her head. Now I'm gonna leave a space here, and I'm gonna do a curved line that goes up, and it connects here with the mouth. There. Let's continue with the neck. I'm gonna do the first line on the left side and now on the right side. We're gonna close this on the bottom, doing a curved line that is gonna cross and pass both lines. We're gonna leave a space on the sides. Now from the neck down, we're gonna do a curved line, and I wanna do one more going up at the same level as this one. So we're gonna go down like this. And now let's do the back part, which is gonna go from the neck down. So I'm gonna start here and going down, touching the two lines I have there, and go down like this and stop. We're gonna do this line double, so I'm gonna do the same shape again, following this one. But as it's going down, we're going getting closer to the first line. You see the space here is smaller and it goes wider on this part. Good. So now we're gonna do a little line that goes up, and we're gonna do the shell part. So I'm gonna put a dot here, and I'm gonna go around, and I'm gonna put another dot here. I wanna make sure to leave a space between the head and the shell. So we're gonna go up and back down and connecting with the dot. Now we're gonna continue doing the details on the shell, and I'm here on the top. I'm gonna do a little line, and then I'm gonna curve and go up. The next thing is gonna be a square, and this square has really round corners. Now I wanna do one more here, and I'm trying to follow in the curves of the shell. So we're just gonna go here, close it, and on the bottom I'm gonna do two more, and this time I'm gonna follow this curved line. You see this one, the same shape, going to the right, doing another curve just the same as this one, and now we can close them. Let's do one more following the same shape. And here, because I'm getting really close to this line, I'm gonna try to repeat that. And now I can join these two on the bottom. Good. The next thing is gonna be the bottom part. We're gonna do three legs here on the front. So I wanna do a line first that go up to do kind of like the tummy. Right there. And next to this line, I'm gonna do kind of like two curved lines that are leaving a space in the middle. Now let's continue. This line is gonna go in behind, and it's gonna continue a little bit more. And now I'm gonna do two more curved lines with a space in between. These are kind of like the knees, and now let's do the legs. So we're gonna do two diagonal lines in each side, and now we're gonna connect them with a curved line. We're gonna repeat the steps here. I'm gonna do two lines, and I want to try that this line here on the bottom is at the same level as this one, kind of like following the same. Now let's do the other one. This time the curved lines are going to be in behind the line that I did on the top, And now let's do the diagonal line that go down. And we're gonna close this on the bottom. There. Let's do the last one here. It's kind of like a backwards letter L. There. To finish these legs, we're gonna do here upside down letter U's. We're gonna do 3 of them. And we're gonna do these shapes just on the 3 legs we had on the front. Now, the very last thing I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna put some texture on their knees. So you can put little lines like this, or you can do kind of like a spiral inside. Let's do the same here. Just a spiral right there. To finish this up, we're gonna put some grass here next to the turtle just to give it some texture, and we're just doing some triangle shapes. And there, that's it. We finished this draw. I hope you liked this lesson. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. I want to show you here that I did some spirals with a brown color in the shell just to give it more texture. I also used that color to give some shadows here, and I used a dark green also to do some shadows here and on the bottom. In his eye, I used a white color pencil to color so I can give it like a highlight inside. And then that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more lessons like this one. See you next time.